Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. These are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Pisces, if you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first, Pisces. So we have Five of Suns, Astronomer of Spheres and the Empress in reverse. So in your situation, Pisces, there is someone who is really close to you. It may be a woman who is really concerned about you, who has honest intentions towards you, and this person is here to help you in some ways. They are already helping you. So it may be your sibling or parent. It's a woman, guys. So a friend, maybe a close friend with whom you share all your secrets, and they are here for you anytime and every time. So they are helping you out today, guys, maybe taking care of you. Maybe you have some sickness, or they are supporting you emotionally, maybe for something. So this person is someone you can trust and they are giving you valuable suggestions today, some kind of an advice. So you need to be, what to say, you need to listen to this person, listen to them, listen to what they are telling you. Maybe in certain circumstances things were really easy for you. You had your way going in your career, or it may be in this relationship. Whatever you said or did, this person never objected. So you thought of them as someone really easy to be with, and someone you can trust, and they really love you. But for some reason you are seeing some difficulties in your relationship. That may be the reason you are what to say, asking suggestions from this person. Maybe they are too possessive, or for some of you, I also see that this person has their interest in someone else, maybe, guys. For some of you, they are seeing someone else and they are not interested in you anymore, and that may be the reason for their what to say, for them really being careless towards you or negligent. They are not reacting or responding to you. They are just there without any response or reaction, maybe. So you would have thought of them as someone really submissive, but this person has something else, or their focus is on someone else. That may be the reason. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. What is the card? So we have Four of Spheres in reverse, guys. So with this card, it just means that there are problems in this relationship, guys. Something really stressful, a lot of struggles on your part. But if you can hold on, if you can be patient, wait, make them understand your love, you are going to see a great change coming in this relationship, guys. So your problems, or the indifferent attitude they show towards you, that is going to change, maybe for some of you. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 10 of spheres in reverse. So, in your career situation, there are some confusions, guys. Something coming up, maybe, and you are quite uncertain. You don't know whether it will turn to be some good choice or a bad choice. So, something is not clear in your career situation, Pisces. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment. And this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So, in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship. Whatever it is, this angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that Maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative. You want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.